I'm holding the most expensive pho in the tallest building in Vietnam.
I'm also holding the cheapest pho, but it's not in the lowest building of Vietnam.
In today's video, I'm gonna show you the difference between the cheapest pho and the most expensive pho in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam.
Okay, so I'm here at the cheapest pho place, and as you guys can see, it is so crowded. I don't even know where to start.
I have to say, the vibe here is very Vietnam. You sit on a plastic chair, order without a menu, and share your table with different people. I like the contrast here. Customers enjoy slurping hot soup and chit-chatting with strangers, while the pho seller is rushing and yelling to make sure her customers get the right order. She calls her customers cục vàng, which means gold nuggets. Even though the restaurant is very busy, no one complains. All the customers are patiently waiting, and I even heard someone said they can eat whatever she had left. Her food is sold out quickly. I love watching Chị Gái, the owner of this restaurant, wearing pajamas and preparing her pho. Looks like it only takes her 30 seconds to make a bowl of pho. During rush hours, she looks super busy and serious. But when everything is done, she smiles and enjoys her drink peacefully. As you can see, each person has his or her own duty. One adds noodles in the bowls, one pours the soup, one takes care of the payment. It looks chaotic, yet very organized. This place is located pretty far away from the heart of the city. Most of her customers are students and the locals who live here. Many people grow up eating her pho.
Chị Gái bán được bao nhiêu năm rồi? Mười mấy năm rồi hả?
In the $1 pho, it contains meatball, beef brisket, and noodles.
This one with full topping, with extra ribs, is gonna be 30K, 30,000 Vietnam dong. And also she has some condiments such as chili and lime, and also this is chili with MSG. The broth is pretty sweet. Not too bad. Wow. Yes, the meat needs to be thin like paper. Dạ. Nguội vậy phải không? Nguội. Banana, yeah. It's hot again. Since it took us very long time to film, our food got cooled down, so that's why the owner just asked me if I wanted to reheat or put more boiling soup in there. So it's very sweet of them.
Aw, she even added extra onions for us. After the meal, you can drink free cha đá, which is iced tea. The iced tea is also free for drivers to keep them hydrated from driving in this heat. What a nice gesture.
Before going to the most expensive pho in town, I would like to say thank you to Surfshark for sponsoring this video today. If you travel to Vietnam or any other countries, I would highly recommend using VPN to secure yourself online. For example, if you want to search for the best pho in town, Surfshark includes features such as Surfshark Search, which gives you the organic browsing results without ads or any trackers. Surfshark VPN will also change your IP address, therefore scammer won't know your exact location to bother you or you enjoy eating your pho. Also, just in case your email, credit card, or ID are leaked while traveling, knock on wood, Surfshark will alert you right away. They even create alternative identity and emails for your online registration to protect your personal information. What I love the most about Surfshark is that it offers unlimited simultaneous connections with multiple devices, as well as one of the lowest prices in the market. Plus, they also have 30-day guarantee money back with 24/7 live support.
Don't forget to use my code PHO, PHO, for 4 months for free.
I'll leave the link below for you guys to check it out. And now, let's go eat the most expensive pho in town.
Now, let's go to eat Pho King. I know what you're thinking, but Pho King is in the tallest building of Vietnam, Landmark 81. The place is located on 66th floor, and the price for a bowl of pho is 3,888,888 Vietnam dong.
By the way, did you know 6 and 8 are lucky numbers in Vietnam? So 6 is lộc, meaning fortune, and 8 is phát, meaning prosperity.
The ambience here is different. Plastic chairs are replaced with cushioned chairs. Now you have your own table, and plus, they have a bigger pepper grinder for you. You can see the city 360 degrees, which is very beautiful. Talking about height, the price of this bowl of pho is definitely higher than the floor numbers in this building. Starting from the most expensive ingredient is the truffle mushrooms, $1,700 US per kilogram. The Wagyu beef A5 Kagoshima, $140 per kilogram. Foie gras, $100 per kilogram, and a gold leaf. Did you know truffle mushrooms are very hard to find and cultivate? They can be found in the nature with well-trained water retrievers, pigs, or goats.
In the book called Hà Nội 36 phố phường, 36th Street in Hanoi, written by Thạch Lam, it said, delicious pho contains clear and sweet broth. The noodles are slightly chewy, not too soft, with some lime, chili, and onions. So now I'm gonna try the broth to see if it's clear or not. The broth here is rich, aromatic, and very, very earthy. I think it comes from the truffle mushroom. I know that they not only boil the big bones, but also oxtail and chicken feet to increase the collagen, and also shin bones, and they simmer it for 48 hours. All right, so now I'm gonna put some lime in my pho. Should I do like a lime bay like this to look more fancy? As you can see, the beef has the marbles. It's like melting in my mouth. To be honest, I'm hesitating to try it because I have never seen this in pho, but it has gold in it, so I'm just gonna bite on the gold part. It's rich, it's buttery. I'm not sure if it goes well with pho though.
Can you believe only the pho noodles are from Vietnam? In my opinion, the pho noodles are not very soft and the broth is not quite clear as the traditional pho. Plus, look how my money just got shrinked.
You know, I wouldn't name it Pho King. I know like it comes from King, just like my channel names What the Pho. I would call this a melting pot pho because there are a lot of ingredients from different countries.
Also, the portion is quite large, so we need 2 to 3 people to finish this bowl.
Okay, so the total price after tax and the service fee is about 4.4 million Vietnam dong. Okay, so I just finished my Pho King, and I'm not gonna compare if the $1 pho is better than the $160 pho or vice versa, because I don't think it's fair. And also, everyone has different opinions about taste of food, right? However, if you come to Vietnam and want to know if the bowl of pho is authentic, I have some standards that come from Vietnamese food critics and famous book authors such as Vũ Bằng, Thạch Lam, or Bang Sơn, and they said pho can be eaten anywhere, anytime, and by anyone. The broth is the soul of pho and it needs to be sweet. However, it can't be fake sweet from MSG or sugar. The sweetness needs to come from the bones that are simmered for days. Last but not least, after eating the first bowl of pho, you want to eat the second one. That's when you know that bowl of pho is good. There are a lot of controversial opinions about Pho King's price, location, and its taste. Despite of going against many traditional standards of pho, this dish proves that Vietnamese food can be expensive, luxurious, and high quality. If you want to eat authentic pho, I invite you to travel with me for 10 days from north to south of Vietnam to learn more about Vietnamese culture, language, local food, and also see beautiful, magnificent places all around Vietnam. I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can sign up now. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel because it's gonna make my day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!